If you want a simple way to track your productivity in Todoist, the productivity view is one of the best features to check out. It gives you a clear visual snapshot of your progress, so you can quickly see how much you've completed today and how consistent you've been over time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open the productivity view and understand the main charts so you can stay on top of your goals and get more done. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Todoist tips and software walkthroughs. Let's jump right in. First, open Todoist and look at the top left corner of the app screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Click on your avatar to open the menu. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where Todoist keeps your app preferences, account options, and productivity tracking tools. Once the settings page opens, look for Productivity and click on it. That will take you straight into the Productivity View dashboard. Now that you're inside the productivity section, you'll see visual graphs that map your historical performance. This is where Todoist makes it really easy to understand your task completion habits at a glance. Instead of just looking at a list of completed tasks, you get a more visual and motivating breakdown of your progress. One of the main things you'll notice is your daily goal. This usually appears as a ring or bar chart depending on your setup. The daily goal shows how many tasks you have completed today compared to the target you've set for yourself. For example, if your goal is 5 tasks per day, Todoist will show your progress toward that number in a clear visual format. If you've completed 3 tasks, you'll be able to see that you're partway there. And if you've completed 5 or more, you'll see that you've reached or exceeded your daily target. This is incredibly useful because it gives you instant feedback. You don't have to guess whether you've had a productive day. The chart tells you right away. It also helps build momentum because seeing your progress fill up can encourage you to complete just one more task and keep going. Next, take a look at your weekly goal. This section displays a bar chart showing your total output for the week compared to a milestone you've set, such as 25 tasks per week. This helps you understand your bigger picture progress, not just what happened today. A weekly view is especially helpful if your workload changes from day to day, because some days you may do more and some days less, but the weekly chart shows the overall trend. The weekly goal is great for spotting patterns too. For example, you may notice that you're more productive early in the week, or that you tend to complete more tasks on certain days. That kind of insight can help you plan better and organize your workload in a way that matches your natural workflow. As you continue using Todoist, keep checking this productivity view regularly. It's a simple habit, but it can make a big difference in how motivated and organized you feel. When you can actually see your progress, it becomes easier to stay focused and keep improving your routine. So, to quickly recap, click your profile avatar in the top left corner, go to Settings, choose Productivity, and then review the daily goal and weekly goal charts to track your performance. That's how you use the productivity view to monitor your progress in Todoist. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Todoist tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.